Here at the loading and unloading station, we've implemented single-minute exchange of dies, or SMED, to ensure rapid changeovers with minimal motion waste. Workers' movements are optimized for efficiency, reducing unnecessary steps and improving cycle times. This process is supported by high levels of 5S practices, ensuring a clean, organized, and streamlined workflow. The organization of workstations is pivotal to maintaining efficiency and quality. Here, we see a close-up of a meticulously arranged workstation featuring Kanban trolleys. Each trolley is stocked with precisely the right quantity of parts, ensuring that operators have immediate access to the components they need. As parts are unpacked, they are systematically organized on the work table, making the arrangement clear and straightforward. This setup minimizes search time and reduces the likelihood of errors, allowing operators to focus on their tasks without any interruptions. This just-in-time approach, replenishing parts as needed and preventing overstocking or shortages. This system not only streamlines the workflow but also supports our commitment to lean principles, enhancing productivity. In the tag-rag operation, our operators demonstrate precision and efficiency by cleaning every corner with minimal motion. This meticulous attention to detail provides us a high-quality finish while adhering to lean principles of reducing unnecessary movement and waste. By effectively removing dust and debris, we prevent imperfections in the paint application. In our painting operations, the first primer coating is meticulously applied to parts, followed by the color coat. This seamless process highlights the harmony between skilled operators and advanced machinery, ensuring consistent quality and efficiency in every step. The primer coat not only provides an even base but also enhances the adhesion of the color coat, ensuring durability and resistance to environmental conditions. Operators carefully monitor each phase, adjusting for precision and consistency. Simultaneously, the automated systems manage parameters like spray patterns and material flow, while operators focus on intricate areas requiring a human touch. This combination minimizes material wastage and ensures every part meets exact specifications. As parts move down the line, quality checks are performed at key stages to ensure uniformity and address any deviations promptly. The paint mixing operation, every step is carefully executed to achieve the perfect consistency for high-quality painting. First, the paint is filtered to remove impurities, ensuring a smooth and flawless application. Next, the precise amount of solvent is added to achieve the required viscosity. This process is monitored meticulously, as even the smallest deviation can impact the final finish. Operators in automated systems, such as controlled air conditioning, work together to maintain exact parameters, guaranteeing consistent quality across all batches, resulting in a perfectly prepared paint mixture that enhances durability and quality. Our automated painting process begins with reciprocating HV Bell robots, which deliver precise and uniform paint application across surfaces. This stage ensures an even base layer while minimizing overspray and material wastage. Following this, our advanced 6-axis robotic systems take over, providing unparalleled precision for complex geometries and intricate areas. These robots are programmed to adapt to varying part shapes, ensuring a flawless finish every time. The final touch-up is a testament to painting operation, which highlights the perfect harmony of man and machine. Operators carefully apply finishing touches to ensure precision, while automated systems maintain a consistent flow. This collaboration ensures an efficient paint system capable of producing 4 vehicles from a single hangar of paint shop operations. The result is unmatched quality, with each vehicle meeting the highest standards of craftsmanship and durability. This efficient process not only guarantees customer satisfaction, but also delivers exceptional value at a fraction of the cost, reflecting our commitment to excellence in every vehicle we produce. After the painting and baking process, parts are efficiently unloaded through a seamless flow ensures that each component moves swiftly to the next stage without unnecessary delays. Upon unloading, a thorough quality inspection is conducted by trained inspectors work in tandem to identify any imperfections, ensuring that only parts meeting our stringent standards proceed further. Following inspection, online sanding and polishing is performed to enhance the surface finish. This step not only rectifies minor flaws, but also elevates the overall quality, ensuring a pristine appearance. The integration of conveyors facilitates an efficient workflow, minimizing manual handling and reducing the risk of damage. As we conclude our tour, observe the paint shop floor, where Kanban trolleys play a pivotal role in our operations. These trolleys are integral to our visual management system, ensuring that each part is stored in the correct quantity and location, effectively preventing secondary defects and stock mismatches. By maintaining this harmonious flow from loading to final inspection and storage, we ensure that each part meets our commitment to excellence before reaching the assembly line.